Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making these skull bow earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it. Roll out 4 balls of gray clay until they are thin and oval shaped. Use a tool and make indentations in all of the silver pieces of clay. Fold each piece of clay in half and leave a loop in the middle. Be sure that the dots are facing on the outside. And then pair them together. Roll out a thin piece of silver clay. Chop off all ends so that it is long and rectangular. And then cut that in half. Wrap this around the center part of each bow. If you are enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button. I post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Cut off any excess clay. Take a tool and make an indentation in the center of the bow on each side. To make the skull, take a piece of white clay and roll it out so that the top is larger than the bottom. And then flatten the bottom side. Place this on a flat surface and then use a tissue blade to cut the teeth out. Poke holes for the eyes and the nose. Make 2 of these and place each one in the center of the bow. Pre-poke the eye hook holes at the top of each bow and then place in the eye hooks. Bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks. Use black paint and fill in all of the dots that we made on the bow and on the skull face. Once the paint has dried, use a damp soapy cloth to remove any excess paint. Resin your pieces. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And these are your bow earrings. Please check back tomorrow. I am posting 31 videos for the month of October. There will be a new one each day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!